One valuable feature which Trellis has built into the Moore Giles theme is monogramming. When a product or variant is configured to allow monogramming, an Add Monogram button appears on the product detail page. Pressing the Add Monogram button displays a modal window where the user can enter their initials. Pressing the Add Monogram button again updates the price of the product corresponding with the value of the monogram option. Here, you can see the product price has been updated by $12. If the user needs to edit or remove their monogram, they can do so. Removing the monogram will return the product to its original price. Once the user is satisfied with their entries, they can go ahead and add the product to their cart. As you can see here, multiple different products can be added to the cart with different monogram options. Because monogram functionality in the Moore Giles theme is built on top of native BigCommerce modifier options, these values will be conveyed through the cart, checkout, and in-order data, which is available to third-party systems through order feeds and APIs, without any additional apps being required. Here, you can see the monogram text field modifier option. Because BigCommerce does not allow text field modifier options to control pricing and price rules, an additional monogram Boolean checkbox modifier option has been added to the product. This checkbox is not visible on the front end. However, when a user enters a value into the monogram text field, the checkbox becomes checked, and if the user removes all values from the monogram text field, the checkbox becomes unchecked. When the checkbox is checked, the price rule takes effect, in this case, adding $12 to the product's price. This is how Trellis has effectively added monogramming functionality into the Moore Giles theme without using an app,